Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another low cap gem that I want to bring to your attention because I really like the chart. It's currently at range lows. But on top of that, I noticed that not many other YouTubers are talking about this project right now. And therefore, that might be a very good indication that people are sleeping on it, that interest is low at the moment. And these are the projects that we want to be in, projects that not many other people are looking at. Because then, when interest starts growing and when more people start noticing this project, we can take some profits out of the table and move them into other altcoins. Also, this particular project hasn't experienced a bull run before. And in my view, these projects that haven't experienced a bull run before have more potential when it comes to this upcoming bull run of 2025. So if you want to find more projects similar to the one that we are going to talk about today, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and let's get straight into it. The project that I want to talk about today is DEFACTOR. The ticker is FACTR, FACTR. It's currently ranked 3,616 on CoinMarketCap based on market capitalization. The price is currently at 0.048, 6.8% up for the day, and the market cap is currently sitting at 14.5 million. That makes DEFACTOR a low cap. And as a low cap, it has a lot of room to grow, lots of potential here. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, somebody left this comment. He said 100x during the next bull run. That's totally possible, guys. We are going to do some technical analysis. But first, let's look at what is DEFACTOR. DEFACTOR is a platform that will be expediting the onboarding process for RWA, real world assets, in DeFi. So the first keyword that we see here is RWAs. As a sector, as a category, RWA have been performing really well. I think that after meme coins and AI, tokens performing better than most other categories. So they are outperforming the market. The second keyword that we see here is DeFi. DeFi was really hot during the previous bull run, and it's expected to do really well during the upcoming bull run of 2025. So DEFACTOR is a bridge between decentralized finance and traditional businesses. Real world assets can be turned into NFTs, and the NFT can be used to receive funding from the vast amount of liquidity available in the crypto space. This is a difficult process for traditional businesses that don't have the infrastructure or knowledge to understand how to do this. So DEFACTOR will be the bridge between DeFi and traditional business. And it will make this an easy and accessible service. So as you see here, DEFACTOR has real world utility. And it's pretty interesting. This is their Twitter account. Look what it says. We are providing the tools and infrastructure for tokenization at scale. They have 40,000 followers, and they've been pretty active, posting every single day. 12 hours ago, look at this. And this is their website. Looks pretty nice. Traditional finance faces barriers, limiting access and hindering global participation. Unlock a new financial future with DEFACTOR's comprehensive decentralized toolkit for real-world asset tokenization. They have a few partners here: Stockbox, OV, Huawei, really big one, 2Tokens, Algorand. I think they will get way more partnerships soon. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to waste your time here. So let's look at some technical analysis and price predictions. This is the chart on TradingView. We are looking at the daily chart. DEFACTOR USDT 1 day, MEXC. Now, I do not hold DEFACTOR at the moment, but a few months ago, I bought DEFACTOR all the way down here. And I made a lot of money when this pump came. So I sold everything. I took my profits and I moved them into other projects. That was a very good move for me. But now, as you see here, we had an accumulation phase, a markup phase, distribution phase when people took profits, and a markdown phase. We broke below the 200 simple moving average, and it looks like we have found a bottom. We are consolidating, entering another accumulation phase here. And this might be a very good time for you guys, for us traders and investors, to start scaling into this project. As you see here, this project hasn't experienced a real bull run. It was created on March of 2023. And the only run that we saw was recently, on March of 2024. Looking at the chart, it looks like we are currently at range lows. So in my view, this might be a very good time for us to start scaling in slowly. What needs to happen, what I want to see from DEFACTOR in the coming weeks and days, is a break above this key level of resistance that's located at 0.085. This one here. We might see another pullback all the way down here sometime in the near future, but eventually, if DEFACTOR performs as well as I think, it should break above this level soon. It looks like we are pretty early. And what gives me a lot of confidence with this project is that when Bitcoin and the crypto market experienced a small bull run back in March of 2024, everything pumped a little bit, right? People made a lot of money. And as you see here, DEFACTOR pumped too. So it's following the rest of the market. It's reacting to the rest of the market. So next time the market pumps, I think DEFACTOR is going to pump too. The measured move from the current levels to this first target that I have on the chart is an 80% move approximately. That's a very nice move. If we see a pullback here and the price comes back down to this level around 0.028, 0.027, right? The measured move from all the way back down here to the first target, that's a 200% move, guys. That's an amazing move. The second target that I have here on the chart, the second key level of resistance, is located at 11 cents, 0.11, 0.12, something like that. The measured move from the current levels to the second key level of resistance is 147% move. But if DEFACTOR manages to come all the way back down here one more time, the measured move to the second target that's located at 0.12 is approximately 324% move, guys. Over 3x. That's an amazing move. Now, if DEFACTOR manages to pull a move all the way back to that recent all-time high that's located at 0.24, from the current levels to the all-time high, that's approximately a 417% move, over 4x. That's why FACTR is a very nice token for us traders and investors to have on our watch list. Last time when I bought FACTR, I managed to make 400% profits from all the way down here. Look at this. Over 400%. And that was an amazing move. I expect another move like this to happen sometime in the future. During this upcoming bull run, I think that this project can surpass that previous all-time high that it put back on March of 2024, break above it, and continue moving in price discovery. Now, my price prediction, conservative price prediction for DEFACTOR is 82 cents. It's all the way up here. The measured move from the current levels all the way up to this price target of 82 cents is 1,630% move approximately, guys. That's a 16x basically. But as a low cap, FACTR can pull a move that is way bigger than this. It's very possible. Nobody knows. This is why we want to invest into altcoins, low cap altcoins that have never experienced a bull run before. Nobody knows where this token is going to go during this upcoming bull run of 2025. But if DEFACTOR was to reach the price target of 0.82 cents, that means that DEFACTOR will have an approximate market capitalization of 246 million, which is not that crazy, guys. Many other tokens have done this before. As I told you earlier, the market capitalization now is 14.5 million. So FACTR has a lot of room to grow. And this target is not that crazy. It can easily happen. So 246 million market cap at the price of 0.82 cents is my price target for 2025. I'm going to update you in this project when it starts moving. But the reason that I am posting this right now is because this token is currently at range lows. And therefore, it might be a very good idea for us to start accumulating slowly, as long as this token is in accumulation phase again. And then after we break above these two key resistance levels, I am going to post more videos on this. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and follow me on Telegram, because this is where I post the price targets and Fibonacci levels that you need in order to trade tokens like DEFACTOR. So that's all I had for you today, guys. DEFACTOR is a gem ready to move, and people are sleeping on it. Not many YouTubers are talking about this. You can find a lot of price predictions and information about this on YouTube. And that's why, in my view, this is a very good project for us to have on our watch list. Thanks for watching. Also, follow me on Twitter You can find me at Altcoin Aware. This is where I post trading setups, low caps, mid caps, large caps, gaming, AI, meme coins, RWAs, all that kind of stuff. You can find support and resistance levels, price targets, Fibonacci levels. So if you are a trader, this might be very helpful to you. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.